Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. These are the CVS deals for the week of May 3rd until May 9th. My first deal is the CoverGirl. CoverGirl, when you buy two, you will get $7 back as an ECB. These are $5.99 each. I got two of them. My subtotal is $11.98. I used one of the $3 off of $12 cosmetic CRT that I have. And along with that coupon, I have a $3 manufacturer coupon. We have a digital coupon for this $3 off of one CoverGirl. If not, we have a $3 manufacturer coupon from coupons.com. We do have a paper coupon for this as well. I used two of those $3 manufacturer coupons, plus I have a $3 off of $12 cosmetic CRT. After all those coupons, I paid $2.98 and I got back $7 in ECB, which is a $4 moneymaker. My next deal is the Colgate deal. Select Colgate. When you buy for $10, you will get $5 back as an ECB. It is of limit 2. It means that you can buy it for $20 and you can still get $10 back as an ECB. These Colgate mouthwash, they are on sale for $5.49 each. And these Colgate toothpaste, they are on sale for $3.49 each. So I got 3 of these Colgate toothpaste and 2 of these Colgate mouthwash. The Colgate toothpaste, for 3 of them, it's $10.47. And for the mouthwash, they're $5.47 each. And my subtotal is $10.98. $10.98 plus $10.47, which is $21.45. I have a $5 off of $20 Colgate CRT, which I used one of that. I do have a $1 manufacturer coupons for these Colgate toothpaste. So I used 3 of those $1 manufacturer coupons, and those are from the coupons.com from last week. And I do have a $1 manufacturer coupons for the Colgate mouthwash. So I used 2 of those. And along with that coupons, I have a $3 off of teeth whitening toothpaste CRT, which applied to these toothpaste. So I used 3 $1 coupons, 2 $1 coupons, and $5 off of 20, plus $3 off of teeth whitening toothpaste coupon, plus $3 off of teeth whitening CRT. After all those coupons, I paid $5.45 and I got back $10 in ECB, which is a $4.55 moneymaker. My next deal is the L'Oreal deal. These L'Oreal Paris Elvive, they are on sale, 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you will get $4 back as an ECB. I have combined this L'Oreal deal with the Maybelline deal just because of the coupon that I have. This week, when you scan your card at CVS Mission today, you will get a $10 off of $30 select Maybelline and L'Oreal products coupon. So to use that coupon, I have combined this deal with L'Oreal and Maybelline. So these Maybelline, when you buy 2, you will get $5 back as an ECB. So these baby lips, they are $4.79 each. I picked 3 of them. And this Maybelline lipstick, it is $7.99. So I picked 3 of them, which is $4.79. And this one is $7.99. Plus these 2 are 2 for $8. With all these, my subtotal is $30.36. I used one of that $10 off of $30 Maybelline and L'Oreal CRT that we received today. And along with that, we have a $3 off of $2 manufacturer coupon for this L'Oreal Paris Elvive. And that coupon is from coupons.com. I used one of that coupon. And along with that, I have a $2 off of $1 Maybelline lipstick manufacturer coupon in my CVS app. So it came out. And after all those coupons, I paid $15.36. So I got back $14 in ECB, plus I'll get back $3 in beauty, which leaves me at $1.61 moneymaker for me. Here is the deal. If you have the Maybelline CRT that we received last week, you can use it on these. And we also have a digital coupon for this L'Oreal Paris Elvive in our CVS app. I have already used those coupons last week because I have used the $3 manufacturer coupon, which is the digital coupon, last week. And I also used the Maybelline coupon last. So what you can do, you can scan the paper coupon, but I don't know why, but the digital coupon also come up with for this L'Oreal. I mean, it had happened many times for me. So if you still have that digital coupon, use that digital coupon. So it would be $3 more less for you. And if you have that $5 Maybelline coupon, use that coupon. It would be $5 more less for you. So if you have both of those coupons, you would pay $7.36 and you will get back $14 in ECB, plus you will get back $3 in Beauty Bucks, which is literally $10 moneymaker for buying these. So it would be a $10 moneymaker if you have those coupons with you. If not, it would be a $1.64 moneymaker along with the Beauty Bucks. It's a $10 moneymaker for these. And for Colgate, it's $4.55 moneymaker. And for CoverGirl, it's $4 moneymaker. So altogether, it's literally $19 moneymaker, guys. That's all I have for this video. If you do like the content, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.